Welcome back to Star Aspect Designs, where we believe good design should feel like a deep breath and maybe turn a few heads while at it. Today we are pulling back the curtains literally on a house that's hiding something, the roof. This beautiful modern 3-bedroom home, sleek and so well put together that even the roof decided to give a low profile. From the outside, its elegance, minimalism speak out loud, and from the inside, its comfort all the way. This here is the back of the house, and there you have the kitchen yard with the Dobby sink and clothing lines outside, and those projections there are actually window seats for the 2 bedrooms. And at this side is where you will have the gas cage, since that location is nearer to the gas cooker where the kitchen is. And then we go back to the front, and the front is characterized by this corner window here and an overhang for the porch. So this is the front of the house. That corner window is what is a very specific design feature for this house. It gives it a lot of character. And then that window there is for the master bedroom. So I will take you through the ArchiCAD model first. So this here is the model itself. As you can see, that is the front of the house with the porch, and then you enter into the foyer and the living room as you head into the dining room and kitchen. This is the side of the house, and I wanted specifically to show you the roof. That's the hidden roof that I was talking about, and it's a system I explained in a previous video. So if you would like to learn how that works, you can go check it out. So this here is a plan with dimensions, as most of you normally ask in the comments. As you can see, as populated there, it's a 3-bedroom house, 129 square meters, ideal for a 60 feet by 80 feet plot. You can study that plan and learn a little bit more, but let's move into the 3D plan that I can take you through the spaces. So this is it. You have your porch there, which is the section out here, and that's your entrance. And I like this corner feature here specifically because it will bring in a lot of light while also offering well, not 360 view, but more like a panoramic views of the outside. And then this here is the lounge. But before you even get into the lounge, first of all, you have the foyer. And then you have this welcoming area where you can leave your keys, a place where you can sit and wear your shoes or stack your shoes underneath, hang your coats, your bag, and then you enter the living room. And the living room, it's a spacious living room, not too spacious and also not too cramped. So that's what you have. You'll have your TV wall right there. And then on the corridor, along the corridor, then you have your sink, where you can use as you enter, or even if you're dining in the lounge or at the dining area. And then as you move ahead, further ahead, then you have your kitchen with the counter seating there, and then you have your dining. I think as usual, let's first go through the plan in totality. I forgot that part, sorry. So I already took you through this front part. So that's your kitchen there, pantry. This is where you get outside to the kitchen yard, and then you have your laundry section there. And then this corridor then leads you to other areas of the house. You'll have your common bathroom there, which is also acting as the cloakroom, and it's shared also between these two bedrooms here. And then you have your master ensuite right there. So I'll take you where we left off, which is this section here, where you have your dining area, which houses a 6-seater dining set. And then here you have an open kitchen. And open kitchens are very good in the sense that you're not closed up. You're not closed up, just toiling away in the kitchen by yourself. You can be in the kitchen while speaking to others who are in the dining or the lounge. And it also reduces the cost of construction because you're reducing on the number of walls. So that's the kitchen there. You have your cooker there, your sink, and then your fridge right there. And then this door here then leads you to the pantry, where as usual you can have your chest freezer and other storage. And then this door then leads you to the kitchen yard outside. But before you get into the kitchen yard, then you have this section here that can be used as a laundry. You can have your washing machine at the bottom, and then a hanger rod along the walls. And then outside you have your kitchen yard with your Dobby sink. I already showed you the location of the gas gauge, so that's that. And after that section, then you get into the corridor, where you have your shoe rack along the corridor as you get into the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1 with a 5x6 bed. As I always say, you can rearrange the bedrooms however you like. The window seat is becoming also popular. I stated the reasons in the previous videos. Number 1, you get to have this corner window. That's a good feature. You also get to have a sitting area. You can read your book, you can take a nap. And also if your children have sleepovers, that can be used as a bed. Same goes for this bedroom here. Also a 5x6 bed and a window seat with the wardrobes on this side. Then this here is the shared bathroom. And the shared bathroom, it's shared between the 2 bedrooms, but is also used as the cloakroom for visitors. And then finally, this door here leads to your master bedroom, which is en suite with its own bathroom there, and then the main bed space, which is this section here. And I like this particular design because it offers a lot of storage. So for your couple with your many storage needs, then this serves a purpose. And you could also add a TV right in the center there. So that's your master bedroom. So that is a house. I hope you've learned quite a bit from that tour. Let's look again at the plan in totality. So that's the plan in totality again. And that's a wrap on this 130 square meter stunner. Proof that great design isn't just about space, it's about style and smart details. This 3-bedroom home is as practical as it is beautiful. If this design has got you dreaming, let us know in the comments. Let us know what stood out most, what inspired you, and also what you would change about the design. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with that one friend who always has a folder full of plans. It might just be the nudge that they need. And until next time, keep dreaming, keep planning, and as always, live large.